Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Corebridge Financial for account sign-in authorization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with Corebridge Financial, navigate to the official Corebridge Financial website. Once on the home page, locate the sign-in button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the sign-in button to be directed to the account access page. On this page, you will see options for account type selection. Choose the appropriate account type you have with Corebridge Financial, such as individual or business. After selecting your account type, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding password field. Once you have filled in your login credentials, look for the Authorize or Sign In button. Click on the button to initiate the login process. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a prompt for additional verification. Check your registered email or mobile device for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the field provided on the login page. After entering the code, click Verify to proceed with the authorization. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Corebridge Financial account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check for typos in your username or password. If you continue to face difficulties, use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the password reset process. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard for a better user experience. Make sure to log out after your session to ensure the security of your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.